We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the FiveStarCable RG59 1000 feet Siamese Coaxial CCTV cable. This cable aims to provide an all-in-one solution for CCTV installations, combining video and power transmission in a single package. It's designed for use in various surveillance systems, supporting HD, 1080p, 5MP, and even 4K resolutions, as well as composite RGBHV and component video applications. The cable features a 20 AWG RG59 video cable and an 18/2 AWG stranded power cable, all encased in a durable black jacket. According to the manufacturer, it boasts a 95% braid shield to minimize interference and ensure signal clarity. Examining the construction, the cable utilizes a copper-clad aluminum and magnesium, or a CCAM, center conductor for the video signal, while the power cable is made of stranded copper. The product description emphasizes easy installation, with foot markings on the cable for accurate measurements and a tangle-free spool box. It's also designed to be compatible with standard BNC connectors, facilitating quick and easy connections. Now, let's delve into the specifics based on user experiences. A significant number of users report satisfaction with the cable's performance, particularly in terms of signal quality and ease of use. Several reviewers mention using multiple spools of this cable over long distances, some exceeding 700 feet without encountering any issues. They praise the clear camera picture and sufficient power capacity for the night illumination features of their cameras. The convenience of prime delivery and the competitive price point are also frequently highlighted as positive aspects. The foot markings on the cable receive positive feedback as they simplify the installation process by providing accurate measurements. Users also appreciate the packaging, noting that the cable arrives well packaged and in good condition. The ease of pulling the cable, comparable to Cat 5 or Cat 6, is another recurring compliment. However, not all experiences are uniformly positive. A critical point raised by several users concerns the material composition of the cable. Despite some listings suggesting a braided copper power cable, multiple reviewers claim that it is actually copper-clad aluminum, or CCA. This discrepancy is a significant concern because CCA has a higher resistance than pure copper, leading to voltage drop over longer distances. One user specifically mentions that CCA limits their run length to approximately half of what would be achievable with copper, effectively reducing the maximum usable distance to around 100 feet for their application. Another reviewer notes that the RG59 core is also CCA, making it prone to breakage during stripping. The quality of the cable's sheathing is another area of concern. Some users describe the sheathing as hard and brittle, making it difficult to work with and increasing the risk of damaging the CCA power cables during installation. This issue is exacerbated by the relatively fragile nature of CCA, which is more susceptible to breakage than solid copper. Some customers felt that the product description was misleading regarding the copper content, describing it as a bait-and-switch tactic. While the price point may be attractive, the potential limitations and frustrations associated with CCA construction should be carefully considered. To summarize the advantages, the FiveStarCable RG59 Siamese Coaxial CCTV cable offers an all-in-one solution for CCTV installations, simplifying the wiring process. It supports various video resolutions, including HD and 4K, and features a braided shield to minimize interference. Many users report satisfactory performance, particularly over moderate distances. The cable is easy to install with foot markings for accurate measurements and comes at a competitive price with convenient delivery options. However, potential drawbacks include the use of copper-clad aluminum, or CCA, instead of solid copper for both the power and video cables. This can limit the maximum usable distance and increase the risk of voltage drop, especially on longer runs. The cable's sheathing is also reported to be brittle and prone to damage, potentially complicating the installation process. The discrepancy between the advertised copper content and the actual CCA construction is a major point of contention for some users. In conclusion, the FiveStarCable RG59 Siamese Coaxial CCTV cable presents a mixed bag of features and performance. While it offers convenience and affordability, the use of CCA and the quality of the sheathing are significant considerations. If you require long cable runs or demand the highest possible signal quality, the CCA construction may be a limiting factor. Conversely, if your installation involves shorter distances and you are willing to accept the potential limitations of CCA, this cable could be a cost-effective solution. It's crucial to carefully weigh the pros and cons based on your specific needs and budget. Remember to check the product link in the description to support the channel and to ensure the product specifics meet your needs, as sometimes product specs can change. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to purchase this cable depends on your individual requirements and priorities. If you prioritize affordability and convenience over absolute performance and are working with shorter distances, the FiveStarCable RG59 Siamese Coaxial CCTV cable may be a viable option. However, if you require maximum performance and reliability, especially for long cable runs, you may want to consider alternative cables with solid copper conductors. Further consideration should be given to the specific cameras and DVR system you intend to use with this cable. Ensure that your equipment is compatible with the cable's specifications, including the impedance and voltage requirements. Additionally, be mindful of the environmental conditions in which the cable will be installed. If the cable will be exposed to extreme temperatures or moisture, you may need to choose a more durable and weather-resistant option. Before making a final decision, it's also advisable to read the latest customer reviews and product specifications on the retailer's website. Pay close attention to any updates or changes to the product's features or materials. This will help you make an informed decision and avoid any surprises after your purchase. Moreover, consider the long-term implications of using CCA cable versus solid copper cable. While CCA may be more affordable upfront, it may have a shorter lifespan and require more frequent replacement. Solid copper cable, on the other hand, is generally more durable and reliable, offering better long-term value. When installing the cable, take extra care to avoid damaging the CCA conductors. Use appropriate stripping tools and techniques to minimize the risk of breakage. Also, ensure that all connections are properly tightened to prevent signal loss or power interruptions. Finally, remember to test the cable thoroughly after installation to verify its performance. Check the video signal quality and power delivery to ensure that everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, troubleshoot the connections and cable runs to identify and resolve the problem. In summary, the FiveStarCable RG59 Siamese Coaxial CCTV cable is a versatile and affordable option for CCTV installations. However, it's essential to be aware of its limitations, particularly the use of CCA conductors. By carefully considering the pros and cons and taking appropriate precautions during installation, you can make an informed decision and achieve satisfactory results.